Guys, this is a 2009 ISF. And despite this vehicle standing the test of time, still looking absolutely amazing with a beautiful interior and a 5-litre V8, it is missing something, and that is Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Using one of our integration kits, we are going to add Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to the factory screen in this car. We are not changing the screen at all. We are not going to go through the complete install. That video is linked in the top right-hand corner right now. We're just going to go through and show you some bits and pieces on the install and show off the car a little bit and see how it looks when it's all done. CarPlay interface, video interface, wiring, antennas for wireless CarPlay, more wiring, microphone, more wiring, lots of wiring to do today. There it is, guys. The ISF now has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It's going to make this car 10 times better to drive. Phone, music, maps, messages, all there. You can swipe over, you got Spotify, WhatsApp, iHeartRadio. We've done plenty of videos on CarPlay, so I'm sure you all know about it. If you want to reach out to us, www.shoptfb.com. If you want to see the full in-depth installation of this kit, that video was linked before. It'll be in the description as well. That is pretty much it. Any other questions, drop them in the comments below. Thank you all so much for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.